Hey, welcome back. We're on our way to go get some dinner and take Zen over there. And another thing camp hosts do is information center. I just had a few college kids come through and they ask about a dozen questions like what, why, how, where can I eat, and what can I do. So glad to help everybody and with my limited knowledge. But we're going to walk over across the campsite to the other campsite and get us some food. But first we need to check on something as I go through. Another camp host job description. I am going to try to get a video of this guy's rig and maybe see if I can get inside and look at it sometime before he leaves. If you do, you guys, I'll share it with you. Here's one thing I did earlier. We're going to walk in the ladies' room. Hope there's nobody here. No screens. That's good. I had to install a new valve on this toilet, so I wanted to see if it's leaking. And it looks like everything is dry. So part of the camp host duties could be a plumber. And that's what I did. This is an old bathroom. This has been here since I think the 80s. So it's in pretty decent shape. It's got that Friday the 13th vibe to it, with cobwebs and wood, dark, metal doors, eerie sounds. But right now we're going to walk over and get some ribs. And Zen's going to not just have rib bones. I'm going to give him some rib meat and different things, and he won't have any bones tonight. So we'll let him just eat on some other stuff. Well, we made it down to our rib area. We got some Coronas and got some ribs coming out in a different view of the lake. This is my camp spot when I come when the camp is closed because it's quiet. Nice down here. And we got Zoe down here. Here's Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Zoe is 100% interested in balls and water. Unlike this guy. I had some friends here in the camp I met last year, and they just started a YouTube channel. So here's their business card. They're pretty nice people, really lovely. Scots on tour, 2 Scots on U.S. road trips. And there's their name and their Facebook and Instagram, YouTube channel. So go over and give them a like, give them a subscribe, and we're going to see if we can get them on camera here and they can talk a little bit about their channel.
Hi, I'm Elaine Scott.
And I'm Wes Scott.
And we're the Scots on Tour. Last year, we decided to buy our own RV in the States after renting them for about 12 years. We decided that this was the lifestyle that we love for our vacations, but it was very expensive to rent them during the summer holidays. So we decided to buy our own one. That way we could come over a few times a year to use it. So we're starting a new YouTube channel just to follow our travels, to look at the adventures that we do, and to give you an idea of the kind of campgrounds that we enjoy visiting. Over the next few months, we'll be starting to put up some videos on the channel, so hopefully you'll be able to subscribe, like our Facebook page, and follow our adventures.
Well, dinner was excellent. Barbecued ribs and peas, bread, potatoes. One of the rewards of being up here and being a camp host, you get to meet so many nice people and enjoy food with them. So it's really nice to see everybody using the beach and everything going on. So Zen's got barking because somebody's coming up behind me. Well, we're back from our dinner last night and things. It's the next day, isn't it, buddy? What do you want? Every time I get on camera, you got to get your face in here, don't you? I got some mail. Let me see here. One in this envelope here. I got a letter from somebody down from Quartzsite. Well, it was sent to Quartzsite. Let me see where it's at here. It was a subscriber that sent a donation for their bus repair. Let's see. This came from Atlantic, Iowa. I think it's Iowa. So thank you to get the name here, Steve, for the bus repairs and TomandZen, $5 for Zen treats. You like that? You want to eat that? Nope, we'd rather have it into Zen treats. And also, I want to thank Alan. Alan was our camp host last year at the next campground over, and now he's DM, district manager up at Ashley National Forest. But he'll be back down here next year for to be district manager here. I'm happy to do that. See that. He sent a box of treats. Greenies. Zen loves greenies. He already had one. He really likes greenies. He used to wait by Alan's trailer in the morning and wait for Alan to come out to give him a greenie when we were over at another campground last year. And and treats from me. Mountain Trail Mix. And it's got M&Ms in it. Yummy. Well, let's see. Peanuts, raisins, M&Ms, chocolate candies. Okay, yeah, that's going to work. And one other thing. What is this? Oh, filled pretzel nuggets. I would say these are for me. Zen might have some. I don't know. You want a pretzel nugget? We'll see. There. Oh, look here. They're party ready. Woo! Peanut butter flavored. You might like those. Zen likes peanut butter. So, and just one thing, I mentioned earlier about the information center of people, and just really quick, I thought they were college age kids, that I said these college kids ask for information on where to eat and what to do. Well, they came down later on. And I asked them, well, what college you go to? They said, oh, we just graduated high school. So they're like 18. And just the nicest bunch of young people. There's 5 of them, and they're here, I guess, on their end of the senior trip. And they're really outgoing. We wound up being, well, they came down to get some wood, and we talked for over 2 hours around the fire last night. There was 101 questions. They asked me questions, I asked them questions, and we got along great. So I'm glad to help them out. And they really want to know about, camp life and camp hosting and bus life and, et cetera, et cetera. So I was happy to provide them with information. And speaking of more information, for those who follow along, you may remember that my bank debit card issue, or debacle, if you want to call it that. I ordered another bank card yesterday. The last one got returned mail, after I got 5 good mails from the bank on the same address. My bank card got returned for wrong address. I don't know. So anyway, it's on order. Give it here another couple of weeks in Quartzsite, then I'll have to have it forwarded up here. And I've been using another debit card. I've got 2 accounts. And guess what? Tried to use a debit card on Amazon today and declined. And so I called the bank, and guess what? Your card's been compromised. You need a new card. So another 10 to 14 days on that card, and that means I have 0 debit cards. I have no way to pay for anything in person. I can do it online. No, I can't, because I don't have a card. So I'm just kind of, how do you say it, up the creek without a paddle right now. So even when my bus gets ready, if the part gets in and they get it on, I can't pay for it because I don't have a debit card. If it's not one thing, it's 1,000 others. But, take it in stride. It is what it is. It's modern technology. It's the fast, easy way, convenient to go, and it's really a pain in the butt sometimes. But anyway, well, we're just going to hang around the campground today. It's getting towards the weekend. Just hang out here in my tent because it's been pretty windy today, and the tent makes a lot of flapping noise, or the awning does above. Zen's just chilling out over there on the grass again. So we'll just kind of make this video kind of short again and say thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on around the campsite. And hopefully, things will get better. We'll see what happens. And we'll catch you guys up on the next one.